Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 403 authentication failed in Roblox or the error code 403 while playing the Roblox game. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type task mgr, which stands for task manager. Simply click on that under the best match. Now maximize the task manager window. Then here we need to look for Roblox. So kindly search for that in the search bar. Type Roblox. Here you'll find your Roblox game client. Make a right click, then you have to select End Task. Now once done, simply close the task manager window, and after that you can just simply open the Roblox game. For the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, you need to type these commands. First command is natsh space winsock space reset. It's natsh space winsock space reset. Then you have to hit enter. Now successfully reset the WinSec catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. But before we are going to reset the Windows, let's type the next command first. It's ip config space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then in the Windows search bar again, type here ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you will find Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click. Then you have to select properties. Now this window will appear. Kindly click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. You have this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. It's 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK, and then simply close this Windows. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Now type here percentage local app data percentage. Then you have to click on OK. Scroll down and look for the Roblox folder. This one. Make a right click, select delete. Once done, close out of here. And for the final method, we can reinstall the application. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. And once you find Roblox from here, simply click on the three dots, select uninstall. And once uninstalled, you will need to reinstall it. So simply open any browser that you have on your Windows. And type in the search bar roblox.com/download. It's roblox.com/download and hit enter. Now you'll find this option, download Windows app. Click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded. Simply click on that and then close the browser. So this will reinstall the application into your Windows. So you just have to wait for that in a while. And after that, you can just simply sign in into your Roblox account and enjoy or continue enjoying the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.